Let's make cinnamon toast today. I've got a bowl ready here. I also have a pan lined with some foil. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with nonstick spray so the toast doesn't stick. I also have a spatula and a rubber scraper for mixing. We also need to preheat our oven. So we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees and make sure the top rack is close to the top of the oven. So in my bowl, I'm gonna add my butter. I'm using salted butter today. If you don't have salted butter, you're gonna wanna use unsalted and a pinch of salt. My butter's too solid, so I microwaved it for about 5 seconds to break it up. You want it to be a spreadable consistency. Add your sugar. Add your cinnamon as well. You're gonna wanna take the lid off the cinnamon. Don't pour it into the measuring spoon, it'll make a big mess. Unscrew the lid, scoop your cinnamon, and then level it with a spatula or the flat side of a knife. If you have a container like this one here, you can level it by placing the spoon inside the container and using the plastic edge. We also need a little bit of vanilla to add some extra flavor. Measure it over a separate bowl so you don't pour too much vanilla into your recipe. We're gonna lay our bread on our pan, and now we're gonna mix up this paste. Make sure it's totally smooth before you add it to the bread. Just like that. Now I'm gonna add an even amount on each slice of bread before I spread it on. Make sure you add an even amount to each piece of bread. You can always take some topping from one piece and add it to another if you need to. Once it looks good, use your rubber scraper and spread the topping all the way to the edges. You can also use a knife to do this. Each member in your group can help put the topping on the bread. Once you apply your topping, we're going to put this in the oven on the top rack. Bake your toast for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Once the timer goes off, don't turn the oven off, just press broil and start. And broil it for 1 minute to caramelize your cinnamon toast. When it's done, it'll look like this. Be careful, it's hot. Serve it with a spatula, and your cinnamon toast is done.